PHGE stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Biomx stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video, especially looking at PHGE. It is a decent bearish market. Now, having done well over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. And this is, again, very subjective opinion. But unless I see like a full-on, oh my bad, let's bubble here. Yeah, like I want to see like a range break, right? That's gonna need to be like above, at least, like I'm talking at least $1.15 for me to count this as something bullish. Like it's not volatile, 1, 2, it just, bro, why the heck even bother with this sort of a price action when there's such better opportunities, even the long side? This is like a bearish thing, right? And I would much rather look for buys. So this is not financial advice, just a bearish market for me. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.